Hey guys, so I'm using the Marigold palette today, starting with the yellow eyeshadow here. I'm going to be adding this to my crease line. Just going to be blending this upwards and going in circular motions, taking my time and adding some more of that shadow as I go. Now I'm going to be using this orange shadow here. I'm going to be applying this a little under where I applied that first shadow. I'm just going to be adding it little by little and blending as well. So now I'm going to be cleaning the crease with a little bit of Vaseline and a Q-tip. So once I'm done with that, I am gonna go in with this shadow here. So it's like a lilac lavender color. It's so pretty. This is from a different palette. I believe it's from the e.l.f. Retro palette. So I'm just gonna be adding this here and blending and going back to the Marigold palette and getting this pink shadow here. So I'm gonna be adding this towards the end of my eye, and I'm just gonna be blending it in as well towards that that purple color. Once I'm done with that, I am gonna go in with that orange color and blending those colors together. And I did notice that this lilac shadow is not as pigmented, so I did have to keep reapplying it. I do want these colors to stand out, so I'm going in with this big crayon stick from NYX in the color Milk. And then I'm just going to be adding that lilac, that pink, and that orange at the bottom and blending it as well. So I'm applying some foundation here, and I am going to do the rest of my face off of camera. So I am going to be adding some highlighter here to the inner tear duct of my eyes and my nose. I also did my cupid's bow and the cheekbones. So since the eyes are very colorful, I am going to go in with the nude lip. Topping it off with this gloss from ColourPop. This is how the look turned out, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.